Hi, I'm Professor Catalano, and this is the Curriculum Materials Center at Hofstra University. The Curriculum Materials Center is a center for materials used in K-12 classrooms, such as textbooks and activity guides, etc. I'm going to take you through a tour of the major content areas that we have materials for in our Curriculum Materials Center. Okay. This area over here is our circulation area where you can check out books and check them back in, and also where our reserve materials are. This is the reference area of the Curriculum Materials Center. These items are reference materials for K through 12 grades, things like encyclopedias, world book, dictionaries, and books that show you what books to read on what reading level. This area, after the reference area, are the curriculum bulletins. Curriculum bulletins indicate what the curriculum is in New York State, and we do have some for New Jersey and most of Long Island in all subject areas. As the state updates them, we update them as well. We have a large selection of journals and trade books for all the content areas in K through 12, such as art, English language arts, foreign language and social studies, math and science. Some services that we provide is the Ellison machine and the laminator. The laminator is available for student use and alumni use. The Ellison machine is a machine that's available to everybody to use, and what it is you take a piece of construction paper. You can take a cutout. In this example, it's an apple. You put it in the machine and you make cutouts for bulletin boards. Now I'm going to give you a tour of the major content areas that we provide materials for. I'm going to start at the A's. Our materials are arranged in Library of Congress order, and this starts with the A's, B's, all the way through the biographies. This area here is mostly counseling materials, counseling games, books on counseling techniques, creative arts therapy. For example, we have a game called The Ungame, which is about self-esteem issues. In this area, we have a collection of biographies. We have many different versions of biographies for different people. Okay. In this aisle, we have mostly social studies items, the global history textbooks, jackdaws, which are primary sources for many different historical periods in time, and we have American history textbooks as well as nonfiction books down that part of the aisle. On this side, we have many physical education items as well as games. In this aisle, we have more games that are geared towards the social studies content area, and we also have textbooks for English, such as elementary and secondary. This aisle has items for ESL and foreign languages. For example, we have the Lectura series, which is a Spanish textbook series for ESL students. We also have Parade, and we have secondary items for ESL. We also have games that go with these textbooks. We have foreign language textbooks in French, Italian, Spanish, and we are also collecting in Arabic, Chinese, Japanese, and German. These aisles are the aisles of children's literature, including adolescent literature. We have picture books as well as poetry and multicultural books. We also have the props interfiled, such as Stregonona, that goes with the Stregonona picture book. On this aisle and the end of this aisle are math textbooks. We have elementary and secondary textbook and are currently collecting the major curriculums used on Long Island, such as everyday mathematics and investigations. We also have the manipulatives that go with the math curriculum, such as the base 10 blocks, the fractalations, fractions, and items like that. In this aisle, we have the higher math, such as algebra and statistics textbooks, and then it continues on into the science areas, marine science, earth science, chemistry, and physics. On this side, we have more of the peripherals that go with the science collection, such as the body parts. Everything in our collection is interfiled, so if you're looking for a movie, for example, on the brain, you would find a movie on the brain, and next to it we have an actual model of the brain, and we have all of our books on the brains all together in one spot so that you can find all these materials together. In In addition to the science materials in this aisle, we also have the health curriculums and the health textbooks, and also health games. In this last aisle of the Curriculum Materials Center, we have some books on art therapy, some more books that have to do with health, such as specific books on diseases, books on motors, and books on occupations. And at the very, very end, we have books that refer to bibliographies and items that you would refer to pick a specific book for a specific topic. In the back of the CMC, we have the big book and oversized area. The oversized area has charts and graphs and maps for social studies. The big books are used to teach students the reading process. In big books, we have fiction collection. We also have nonfiction for math and science, as well as Spanish collection.